Hi everyone, SD Mountain Man. Say, just a real quick deal. I was doing this and I thought, you know what? I might as well make a video. It's a little short or a little late, but just a simple RV antifreeze jug. Bleach jugs aren't as thick, I don't think. Windshield washer jug, you know, something like that. Just a simple cut it around the band, make your mark down, you got a scoop, you got a green scoop for any homesteaders, stuff like that, dog food, whatever. This one I put tape around here because the doggone thing fell out of my work truck, and I had been carrying a jug of water in there for mixing chemicals for work, but it fell out and cracked the doggone cap. But you know what? There's one more scoop for me. Bada bing. One more thing I'm working on. This is kind of bent, kind of weird, but yeah. I gotta get back to him. Had somebody ask me about buying fire starters. I'm not selling them. I'm not to that point yet, but I really appreciate it. I'm flattered, but I'm gonna send him an email and just whatever. Anyway, just that's all I wanted to show. I got a bunch of projects here. It's a beautiful, gorgeous day. I could use like another 36 hours of this, but I gotta go to work Monday, so anyway, whatever. Take care, everybody. SD Mountain Man out.